Hi, this is Deepika Padukone.
And I'm Ranveer Singh.
Keep watching.
Bollywood Hungam.
So let's lighten up things a bit.
We must.
We must play the game.
We have these segments
Please.
that Deepika likes a lot and you played in the past as well. So we'll have the quiz first of all. That how
This time I'm
well,
going to win, Faridun.
How much I've looked forward to this interview.
So how well
We're not getting to the critical part yet, though, Mr. Farid.
That is the icing on the cake.
Oh, buddy.
Okay, so
make
this
bake
this
the
we
cake
call
first.
yes, this we call as how well do you know each other? You played in the past as well
Amazing.
with Priyanka. Okay, he's already excited. So we like that sentence.
Come on.
Okay, so we'll start with ladies first.
Always.
With Deepika Padukone. Ranveer Singh did his college studies in Mumbai from.
Mumbai style. College style. Say that again.
He did his college in Mumbai. Which college?
HR?
Yeah.
Yes.
Is this like a rapid fire? Does she get like
No, there's
all the
not
time in the
rapid
world?
fire.
Comes later.
There's not
Acha, rapid fire is later. Okay,
Yeah.
great. Good job. Good job. 1 out of 1.
Lutera was partly inspired from a short story by O. Henry, which was called.
That has nothing to do with him, yeah.
Of course.
No, but
one
he was
of my
part
films.
of Lutera.
Yeah, you were part of Lutera. Oh, Henry, that leaf.
I'll give it to you. Derek O'Brien would give it to her, so we should give it to her.
The
last
leaf.
leaf.
The last leaf, correct.
Okay.
Look at me, I was like, the leaf.
Oh, leaf.
Okay, before getting involved with Anushka and Ladies vs. Ricky Behel, name the actress conned by Ranveer in the film. Which of the actresses conned by Ranveer in Ladies vs. Ricky Behel?
I don't know the order, but there was Dipanita Sharma, Pariniti Chopra, Anushka was in it, and there was one more girl, is it?
Aditi.
Was there one more girl?
Yeah.
Aditi.
Aditi?
Aditi Sharma.
Oh. I know there was one more girl, I don't know her name.
Derek O'Brien would give it to her, so I'll give it to her.
Okay, as of now, it's like 3 out of 3. Courtesy.
Derek O'Brien.
What do you mean courtesy? I said it, yeah. I know there
Ranveer
were
would have
three
said
girls.
कि half काट You were
I used to watch it every Sunday. Today is a Sunday. Every
Okay.
Sunday I used to be
Ji.
glued to the
Ji,
screen.
bilkul,
The
bilkul.
Born Vita Quiz Contest. Ding, 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 diggy, diggy, ding, ding.
What was the full name of Kabir's dog in Dil Dhadakne Do? What was the full name of the dog?
Oh God, I don't know this. I know his name in real life.
Okay.
Hemish.
Wow. Does she get double points for not just knowing?
I know his real
Well,
life
well,
name. Not
no.
only do I know his screen name, I know his real
Screen name, I think it's very simple. If you know the planets of the world. So
Pluto.
Pluto
क्या
मेरा.
बात है क्या बात है
So as of now, it's 4 out of 4.
मैं Derek आप
I'm
O'Brien.
sorry. 4 out of 4, but the fact that I know his real life name, I get double points.
Bonus.
That is something that is going to
Bonus.
Come on.
यहाँ
So
पर
6 on 4.
bonus.
ask for full name, तो आप Pluto मेरा होना चाहिए था.
Obviously
This will be
मेरा
settled
ना.
for 4 out of 4 as of now. What was the name of the characters played by Ranveer and Arjun in Gunde?
Bala and he was Bala.
Yeah.
Bikram. Bikram
5
and
out of
Bala.
5. So Ranveer Singh.
The heat is on.
You got a tough. It's like you can just
Well done, buddy. Really well done.
try with her. That's the best that you can match. Let's start with you. Name the film of Deepika Padukone that had the song Adhure Tum.
Adhure tum.
Yeah.
Now, if this was the Born Vita Quiz Contest, they'd play the audio clip. But since we don't have it, you'll have to sing it for me.
Tum she can sing it.
I can't sing. You're the singer.
I don't remember the
You're
He's the
quiz
singer.
master. Yeah, and
He's the
he's a quiz
singer.
master.
And the quiz master.
I don't remember the exact. I'll give you another question.
Just, you know what I
No,
love
no,
about
I can give you another
no,
question if you want.
no. Why? Just because you don't want to say you guys did
No,
the
but I
question.
don't remember the exact.
No, Faridun, you know.
Then
I'm
you
very
can't ask the
excited.
question, Mr. O'Brien.
Exactly.
Mr. O'Brien.
I'll take another question.
No.
You are
just because-
right.
No. Just
I'll
because
take-
no, you have to hum. Okay, hum it at least.
I don't remember the exact.
चल तू कर ले.
Yeah.
बिन तुम्हारे.
Oh, break के बाद.
Okay, 1 out of 1.
I'm the man.
Deepika played a character called Sandy in 2 films. Name those 2 films.
Sandy.
Yeah.
Sandy.
Yeah.
Oh. Wait. Deepika's filmography is definitely, was she Sandy was in the second half of that? Meena Lochini. Sandy. Sandy.
You can't take all the time in the world.
Sandy.
Tick tick 1.
Wait, yeah.
Tick tick 2.
Wait, yeah.
Tick tick 3.
Wait, Sandy.
Tick 4.
Sandy.
Tick tick 5.
Sandy.
Tick tick 6.
Sandy.
Take a wild
Tick tick
guess.
7. 8.
Break के बाद?
9.
No.
Wrong.
Alia, she was Alia and break के बाद. I was just saying. I'm just working it out.
Okay, but your time is up.
Who says who?
See, अरे यार.
You are not Derek O'Brien. He's Derek O'Brien. Sandy. Maybe in the second half of Om Shanti Om.
Okay, we'll give that.
She was Sandy, right?
Okay. Second one.
And then. Okay. Sandy. Bachna hai Sino?
No.
Akshay Kumar.
Chandni Chowk.
His time is up.
No.
Hey, now it's
Household.
Yeah, but now you're
Household.
We'll have to give it half.
But half. How can
We'll
you
have
not?
to give half. 1.5 out of 2 so far. What
Yeah.
was the full name of Piku's father?
Bhaskor.
Full name.
Bhaskor Bhattacharya. Banerjee.
Bharko Banerjee. Okay, 2.5 out of 3. In which city was Deepika born?
Copenhagen.
Okay.
It's out north.
This is his bun in my oven, said Deepika in the film ... This is his bun in my oven.
You said that. This is his bun in my oven.
It's like a very major hit film actually.
In my oven. What?
Dude, there has to be a timer for this. Come on.
This is his bun in my oven. Deepika! Stop, you're distracting me.
Saif Ali Khan.
It's his bun in my oven. Love aajkal.
Wrong.
Sorry, cocktail.
Yeah. Half.
4 out of.
Damn it.
So I have one clearly.
He has one clearly, and that's like
Thanks.
This is not okay. We gave her the dog wala and the leaf wala.
But you
okay?
gave it now. You insisted.
एक तो मैं नाइसनेस में तुझे दे रहा हूँ, तू competitive हो गई इसमें.
I told you in the beginning I'm very competitive.
So that was, but as of
I'm
I can leave her.
truly ashamed of myself. Leave
मैंने आपसे
Copenhagen.
शुरू में बोला था. मैंने आपसे शुरू में ही बोला था. Okay, but I think as of now, technically now she's the winner. So let's congratulate her. That was.
I didn't give
fabulous.
any wrong
She's
answers.
a-
You've given wrong
she's an
answers.
No,
absolute
I
I'm
took time.
pro,
I'm
actually.
working it out.